Polypipe Building Products has 4 soil systems. Our most popular soil system is our new Polysoil soil system. This is a ring seal soil system and it's the preferred choice for our target market, which is largely residential installations. This is a great product. It's very much, if you get an installation slightly wrong, for example, you can take it apart and you can start again. It's very forgiving in that respect, and it's very efficient a system in terms of time to install as well. Our solvent weld soil system is almost identical to our ring seal system in terms of the size of the fittings and how they work. The only difference is they don't have a seal. You have to use solvent weld to get those fittings to connect together. The advantages of solvent weld are that once you've have connected the fitting to another fitting or to a pipe with solvent weld, that is one piece of material. There's much more integrity, and particularly if you're in a situation where you can't get back to that fitting in the future, or it's very, very difficult to get back to, and you want that peace of mind, you would be better off using a solvent weld fitting. Our next soil system is our ring seal soil system, but it's our Elegance ring seal soil system. This is essentially our cast iron effect range. We have a small range of products, so if you have a particular property that's in a conservation area, for example, and cast iron pipe has to be used, we have a great cost-efficient solution in our Elegance soil range. Typically you will save about 1/3 in cost to buy the product, and you've also got all the great features in terms of installation, time saving, weight saving, etc., which come with plastic systems versus metal systems. And lastly, we've got our Polypipe acoustic soil range. This is a fairly new product for us. Essentially what this soil system does is it reduces the amount of noise that passes out of that system, intrusive noise, particularly in multi-storey buildings where the more distance the water has to travel through that system, the more noise it makes. An acoustic soil essentially dampens that noise down, so it's not intrusive for the residents that live in those properties. The key difference with acoustic is, you'll see within this fitting, it has a much thicker wall section. It's made from a highly filled material, and it's quite a heavy fitting as well compared to standard plastic PVC systems. So those are the main differences, and it's also a ring seal system as well.